Right, swim up from there.
I don't want to swim.
How long can you do it for?
I do a hand something. There's a fish in there.
What?
There is actually.
Shut up!
Reason.
What are you talking about, fish?
What?
What is the fish in the pool?
There is.
No, there's not. Don't be so stupid.
No, there, Rain.
Where?
Where?
There, in front of Sam.
No, there's
Where?
what? A real fish?
Look in front of him.
Oh, it's on the foot! It's near a foot! It's near your foot! It's near your foot!
It's actually.
There's a fish in there by your foot! There's a fish!
There's a fish.
Look at it!
No, I'm not getting it. You get it. You get it. Fish.
There's a fish in the
No
pool!
swearing.
That's a fish in the pool.
It can't be real. It can't be real
Is that
anyway.
real
Fish
fish?
in the pool.
What, a real one?
Look.
No, it's not real.
Show me, that ain't real.
That is real.
Come and get it, Frank.
No.
What, they come out of that hole over there?
Bob, it's a fish! It's a real fish!
That's not.
Frank! Don't kill the poor sod, he said. I think it's dead.
Fuck you.
Oi! Oi!
It's obviously come through the hole.
Name the fish, Grandad. Name the fish.
What it? Oh, it's solid. It's frozen.
It's come through that hole over there.
No, it's frozen.
Where'd that come from?
There's a fish.
Ted,
Bro, look!
it's come,
It's in the middle of the pool!
it's come through the filter.
It comes from the filter
Ted.
of the pool!
No.
Oh, my baby, there's a real fish in the pool. Leave it there, because we might be able to bring it back to life.
What about the defrost
Right.
it?
Yeah. Kiss her life.
Well, it might swim now. 'Cause you have to do that thing, don't you, where you move it side to side.
Hold up.
No, you sure didn't. You didn't just put that in.
No, of course he did. Where would he get
Hold
it?
up, hold up.
Oh,
Oh,
he's smooth.
swimming, swimming, Frank. Swimming, Frank.
Is that real fish?
Yeah.
Over there,
Backwards.
please.
Backwards. Look, get the air from his gills.
Back in that pool. This is a fish.
Look. Calv, look. Look, Calv.
That's a fish. The fish.
We'll have it for dinner later.
I bought Grandad some sardines.
You just put that in there.